Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to stop apps opening on startup on Windows 10. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to stop apps opening on startup on Windows 10. First, when you are here in your desktop, just go to the taskbar and then right click. After that, click Task Manager. And then click Start Up. And you can see here the apps I have. You can see the status enable and some of them disable. Enable is mean start at startup. If you want this app, if you want this app stop when you're opening and the startup, just disable it. Okay, for example, this one, iTunes helpers enable. Just right click and then click disable, and just continue with the other. For example, okay, go to the next page. I have here next page. For example, here Microsoft Edge enable. Then just click and then right click. After that, click disable. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to stop apps opening on startup on Windows 10. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.